Joe Beermaster here. We have a 2005 Mercury Montego. This is the same as a Ford 500. It goes for multiple years. I'm going to show you how to change the light. If this part's not working, that's a LED. You must change the entire assembly. If the reverse light's out or the turn light's out, that can be replaced. We already have one out here. And you can see it does have those. Otherwise, you got to replace the assembly. So, first thing to do is to get this panel off. There's two wing nuts. Loosen them up. Both sides. On there tight, use a plier to turn them, turn it by hand. There's also little push clips right there. You want to work them up with a screwdriver. Whatever works. Then you use an angle cutter. Get in there and pop it out. Now there's several of these. One down here, a couple across the bottom. You can also put a little pressure without breaking it. You kind of get them to pop. So they popped right out. Now we're going to open this up. You see there's three 11mm nuts. We're going to take them out. And a light will come out. And then if you want to take the assembly out, you just disconnect it from the harness right here by pushing down on that. Like this. Push, pull. And then we'll slide it through once we get the light out. There are 11mm here, three of them. Take all three out. One down low, one up high. So we got all three out. We're just going to wiggle it. Comes right out. And because I disconnected the harness on the other side, we'll just grab this, pull it through. Alright, like I said, you have to replace the assembly if the upper light's out, but there are two bulbs down here. You twist them, you can pull it straight out, and if you look on the bottom, there is a number. You can see it at the bottom of the yellow. It's right where my thumb is, where that black area is. There are numbers. I don't know, I think it's coming in clear. You can get that bulb from Auto Supply, and there's one here too, small one. You just twist it. You pull it out like a Christmas light bulb. You can also tell them what it's for, and they can match it up at the Auto Supply. So if you don't have the number, you just tell them it's a reverse light or whatever for whatever model year, on and on and on, and that's how they'll match it up. So to put everything back together, replacing the assembly, you have to run the wire through again, connect it, and replace the assembly. If you're just doing the bulbs, you just put them back in like I just explained, and then tighten everything back up. Joe Beermaster. It's a working shop, so I kind of do these videos in a hurry. A little shaky sometimes, but I hope it helped. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Take care.